Let's take a look at why you're making your videos and who you're making them for. This is just a short little episode. I just wanted to drive a point home for you. You're making videos or short films or whatever, and you really need to think about why you're making them and who you're making them for. For instance, on this channel, I make videos for new and beginning filmmakers, medium, etc. Maybe other people come, maybe they're really good filmmakers, maybe they watch my channel, maybe they like my videos. Maybe they don't because they're not technical enough or they're not complex enough. I don't care. And the reason why I don't care is because that's not who I make the videos for. You really need to think when you're doing a commercial or a production or a YouTube video or, well, any type of creation that other people are going to watch, who is it for? Who's the target audience? For instance, I had my 37th wedding anniversary to the love of my life, and we went to the Portland Zoo. We had never been there, and my wife wanted to go there, so I thought, what the hell? So while I was there, I just grabbed my iPhone, I just held it steady, I shot some shots of different animals and things like that. We came home, she forgot about it, and a few weeks later, she was traveling abroad on some very epic trip, and I stitched together a video for her. Here, let me show it to you. Now, yes, we could go through and analyze how I just shot it with my hands. I just pressed the record button. All the different techniques I use, which is basically I just shot things. Did you like that? Did you think it was epic and awesome? No offense, I don't care. And the reason why I don't care is because it was not made for you. It was made for her. Just something to note in your head when you go to make a video. Don't try and make a video for everyone because not everyone's going to like anything in this world. Just some food for thought. Take it or leave it. Next time you make a video, think about who you're making it for. Make that video for them. And don't forget, go make some videos for you. Go practice with your phone. Go practice with your gear and make something that you enjoy too because think about it. If you're making videos and you don't like it, then why make them? Get out there, go make something. If you want to share it with me, I'll watch it. I'll watch anything, and I pretty much like everything. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Someone left a comment and it's like, well, if you made better videos, then I'd probably subscribe. Ooh, oh no. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Here's a tip.